Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make organic kefir. First, gather your essential ingredients: organic milk and live kefir grains. For best results, choose a high-quality organic milk. You'll also need a clean glass jar, ideally about 1 quart in capacity, and a non-metal stirring utensil. Remember, proper sanitation is key, so ensure all your equipment is thoroughly cleaned before you begin this exciting process. Now let's start the fermentation. Gently place 1 tablespoon of your active kefir grains into the clean glass jar. Pour in about 2 cups of organic milk, leaving some headspace. Cover the jar loosely with a lid or a breathable cloth secured with a rubber band. This allows air to circulate. Let it ferment at room temperature, ideally between 68 and 72 degrees Fahrenheit, for 18 to 24 hours. You'll notice it thickening. Once your kefir has fermented, it's time to harvest. Gently stir the mixture and then strain it through a fine mesh non-metal sieve into another clean jar. The grains will remain in the sieve, ready for your next batch. Store these grains in a small amount of fresh milk in the refrigerator if you're not using them immediately. For a second fermentation, add fruit, vanilla, or other flavorings to your strained kefir and let it sit for another 6 to 12 hours. Congratulations! Your delicious homemade organic kefir is now ready to enjoy. You can drink it plain, blend it into smoothies, or use it in recipes. Store your finished kefir in the refrigerator where it will stay fresh for up to 7 days. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types of organic milk, like whole milk or even goat milk, to discover your favorite flavor and consistency. Happy fermenting!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.